Onion Juice Miracle. A 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology, 86.9% of the onion juice group showed significant hair regrowth after 6 weeks. Struggling with hair loss, thinning patches, or receding hairlines? Before you spend hundreds on chemical-laden treatments, consider the powerful natural remedy sitting in your kitchen: onion juice. Packed with nutrients and proven by science, onion juice is turning into a go-to solution for fast hair regrowth and stopping hair fall, naturally. Why onion juice works for hair regrowth. Onions are rich in sulfur, a key element in promoting healthy hair structure and stimulating new hair growth. Sulfur helps boost collagen production, strengthen hair strands, and increase blood circulation to hair follicles. Onion juice also contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antibacterial properties that help fight scalp infections, unclog hair follicles, and support a healthy environment for hair regrowth. A 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology provides strong evidence for onion juice's effectiveness in treating hair loss. The study involved 38 participants suffering from alopecia areata, a form of sudden hair loss. 23 participants used onion juice twice daily for 2 months. 15 used plain tap water as a control. Results: 86.9% of the onion juice group showed significant hair regrowth after 6 weeks. In contrast, only 13% of the control group showed any regrowth. This clinical study clearly demonstrates that onion juice can be a powerful, natural solution to hair loss. How to make onion juice at home. Ingredients: 1 to 2 medium-sized red onions. Steps: peel and chop the onions. Blend or grate them into a fine paste. Strain using a cheesecloth or fine mesh to extract the juice. Add a few drops of essential oil to mask the strong smell. How to apply for fast results. Apply the juice directly to your scalp, especially on bald or thinning spots. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with a mild, natural shampoo. Recommended usage: apply 2 to 3 times per week for noticeable results in 4 to 6 weeks. Tips for best experience. Do a patch test on your skin before applying to avoid allergic reactions. To reduce the smell, mix the juice with rose water or lemon juice. Combine with castor oil or coconut oil for extra nourishment and shine. The onion juice miracle is more than just a viral trend. It's a time-tested, science-supported solution to stop hair loss fast and regrow hair naturally. With consistent use, a bit of patience, and a blender, you can unlock the secret to thicker, healthier, and more vibrant hair, right from your kitchen. Why wait? Embrace nature's remedy and grow your confidence back, one strand at a time.